Yo, Outre. Okay, perfect hairline. Outre, you keep coming through. Look at his scalp. Look at his parting. Look at his hairline. Look at them baby hairs. Yeah, girl. You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See, figure out you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day.
Hey, ready or not, I keep them coming, I'm high. Pop out the Benz and we rock, making the milli we drop. I came to open up shop and we running and going away when you stop. I keep them coming, I'm high. Pop out the Benz and we rock, making the milli we drop. I came to open up shop and we running and going away when you stop. Please get the fuck out my face, ayy. Y'all keep running in place. I have been stopping you, none of you problems, I promise you motherfuckers ain't. Why do you want with me to defeat? There's no reason to get in my lane. I have been saying for years that I'm proud of me. Honestly, y'all have been fucking my day. Look at me, motherfucking Millie Rock. Dropping a milli, no really not. My flow is so hot and you really not. Crossing the finish line with a bop. Moving the music to you and I'm using it. I will influence in you and I'm about to do it. It's beautiful music, you're moving to it. Watching me win and I'll always do it. I keep them coming, I'm high. Pop out the Benz and we rock, making the milli we drop. I came to open up shop and we running and going away when you stop. I keep them coming, I'm high. Pop out the Benz and we rock, making the milli we drop. I came to open up shop and we running and going away when you stop.
Dickory, pop on your block. You're getting jittery, calling the cops. She can get slippery, dripping the knot. Sick with deliveries, you must forgot. Is you kidding or not? Bitch, I've been hiding and whipping the rocks in the pot. Call me director, I'm calling the shots. Sit your ass down like you fixing the squad. Fuck is a middleman. I'm the supplier, fire is kibble fam. Smug, I could give a damn. I've been the plug, you're a scrub with a simple plan. Hey, huh. They all on my shit cause my bop in it. I knew I was it, they forget that I'm sick. I'm a prick and the shit is a compliment.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Epic Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another newer unit. This one is from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection and I'm wearing it in the style Cheyenne and the color number 1B. So let's just pop right into the specs. So this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps, as well as an elastic band. It does come with 13x6 HD lace parting, as well as pre-plucked in the front and baby hairs, honey. Perfect hairline, yes. So this unit did initially come with a faux scalp, but y'all know I just went in and ripped that bad boy out because no, Outre. That is the one mistake y'all have been making with these wonderful units, is adding that faux scalp that we know we do not need. Like, girl, this is looking flawless without that dumb faux scalp. So yes, honey. And this unit is also high heat friendly up to 400 degrees, so definitely keep that in mind. So the curl pattern on this, as y'all see, is super pretty. The texture on it is feeling like a mix between soft and medium Yaki, and I am actually here for it. I did get a little bit of shut-in, not really much tangling, some snags here and there, but nothing too crazy. So the length on this unit is on the longer side for sure. I'm 5'3" for reference, and as you can see, honey, it's coming well below my boob, so this is long, honey. Now, the density on this hair isn't too full, which is kind of crazy because it's given like big vibes. If I had to guess, I want to say it's about 150%. You could probably get it to about 180 the more that you finger comb it. But what I'm liking, honey, is when I'm finger combing this bad boy, it's not blowing up really too much and giving me that frizziness. It's just giving me that body. So this unit is also coming on small, medium, and big-ish head friendly. Definitely small and medium head friendly. I did go and adjust the straps a little bit, and it's fitting my head pretty snug. And as you guys know, I do have a head that's on the smaller side. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My only con with this unit, of course, as you guys know, is like that faux scalp needs to go. That's it though, because this unit is perfection without it, and many of these Outre Perfect Hairline units are perfection without the faux scalp. So honey, pump the brakes and just knock it out of there because we don't need it. So let's jump into the pros though, right? So the curl pattern is giving me human hair vibes. Like, this is beautiful. This is making me want to go out and about right now. Like, the curl pattern is beautiful. The texture is pretty nice. I'm really liking the length. I'd probably cut it down a little bit just to get some more wear out of it. The baby hairs are nice. The lace is great. The hairline popping, girl. Outre has been setting my standards like super high, and I feel like they've been like meeting that bar. But like, I'm a little surprised that I like it as much as I do, like, cause I do. Like, this is a look, y'all. I absolutely love this. But y'all, that's pretty much all I have to say about this look. Yes, honey, I love it. I love it. I love it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
I came to open up shop and be running and going nowhere when you stop.
Hickory dickory, pop on your block. You're getting jittery, calling the cops. She can get slippery, dripping and all. Sick with deliveries, you must forgot. Is you kidding or not? Bitch, I've been hiding, whipping the rocks in the pot.